Hello everyone in the War and Conquest family. This video today is a teaser of content coming up, hopefully by the release of next episode. I've got a very special treat planned for you guys. I'm going to recreate one of the physical feats done in this week's story. The Gallic troops crossed about 400 meters in the open, sprinting. They crossed a river halfway through. Historians have long said this is what cost them the battle. And I'm just going to see exactly what physical toll that puts on the body. So I have a sword, not a sword, oh geez, I'm retarded. I'm making a spear and shield. And I'm going to be running the 400 meters after crossing the Sabas. Actually, this is the Rancocas Creek, but I looked up pictures of it and they're about the same size. Caesar says it was 3 feet deep, so I think it's a little bit deeper, but we're going to be running through the woods. We're going to be crossing with the sword and spear. We're going to come up the other side, and then we're going to continue the run all the way down at full speed, just to see what kind of physical toll that puts on the body. Stay tuned for